So, guys, all good things must come to an end for more and new good things to come to fruition. So, a couple months back, I had told my subscriber base that the options market was the place to be, and this was the trade to take. So, we got long on the CLN 21 light sweet crude oil futures contract at the $65 strike price. We bought call options for less than 60 cents a piece. So I'm calculating my entry at 60 cents, basically so everyone had a fair opportunity to get in. But the reality was this could have been bought as low as 45 cents. But we're going to use 60 cents purely because I want to make sure my entire membership had the opportunity to fill this trade and have a realistic return. So I'm going to base the calculation here off of a 60-cent entry. So price rallied really strong from there, and we closed out our first half at a 500% return on investment. So we sold our first half at $3.60. Now the market pulled back as we expected it to, and then it started to regain traction. But it's time to look for the next trade, meaning the next forward expiring contract. So I wanted to close this one out, close out the second half, and we closed the second half at 381, which is a 535% return on investment. Add those two up, divide them in half, we get 517.5% return on investment. So this means every dollar that you invested to buy the option contract, you were returned an additional $5.17 roughly. So for every 100, you got another $517. For every 1,000, you got another, $5,175. So on and so forth. You can move the decimal point. You don't need me to do all the math for you. But the exciting part is this is what a strategic trade looks like. We took it off in two pieces, and the only reason we took it off the second half at this point is because we're preparing for another trade. The reality is we are looking for some continuation. We are looking to again set up the next trade here in the options market for our next several month move. I do believe that should be triggered by the end of this week or next week. So I want to give you guys an ample amount of time to really understand and see the potential that comes with these style trades that we put on for a longer period of time. Now, listen, there's no guarantees, but a 517.5% return is pretty good. I mean, you only got to do that once a year with a handful of money, and you're probably set for the rest of the year. But I do believe that we have another trade setting up, and that is, again, the reason why it was time to close this one out, because we're going to be setting up the new one. Now, the wonderful part is, for my traders who took this trade, the next trade, they're going to trade on house money. They're going to take that earned income that from the profit from this 500% ROI, and they can apply that to their next trade. They're risking money they've already made as opposed to risking fresh money. Now, if you guys didn't get a chance to get on this trade, it's okay. Listen, the probability of the next one is hopefully just as good as this one was. But we will let the market tell us where it's going to go and about how long it's going to take to get there. And my goal is to set up another trade that hopefully will look just like this one. Now, if you'd like to learn more how you can be in the queue for when these things get triggered, there's a link directly below this video. If you click on it, it will take you to my training webinar. In this webinar, I will show you basically my style of trading, how I trade, who I am, where I came from, how I got to where I am. I want you to understand who I am. I want you to have a grasp on my story. I want you to realize that I'm just an average guy. I didn't do anything special. I don't have a Harvard degree. I don't even have a financial degree. I'm a blue-collar businessman, and I'm proud of it. Not too many blue-collar businessmen can sit at a computer and make a couple $100,000 a year trading or produce these kinds of ROIs. So with that being said, guys, if you'd like to learn more, again, there's a link below. Click on it. Check out the training webinar. We have a super slam trading process. We're sitting at about 30,000 in profit right now. I believe there is still more potential to go there. We have a brand new home run trade that just went out. That's a swing style trade that'll last likely about a week or two. And then I'm looking for another trade just like this one to transpire, a several month option play with hopefully to hold the same potential we had in this one we just closed. So I look forward to welcoming you to the Big Energy Profits family. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're staying well. Most importantly, I hope you're healthy, and I wish you a blessed day, and I look forward to working with you. Take care.